So hello, this is me Mehak and welcome to the Blitz news channel. Due to continuous heavy rainfall in Tamil Nadu, schools and colleges in the Nagapattinam and Thiruvarur districts have been closed on Thursday. India Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert for heavy rains and thunderstorms in 11 districts of Tamil Nadu till Thursday. One day holiday for schools and colleges was announced in the Nagapattinam district, while only the closure of schools has been announced in the Thiruvarur district, senior officials said. As per the weather department forecast, light and moderate rainfall are likely on Thursday in many places over coastal Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Isolated heavy rainfall is very likely over South Tamil Nadu on February 1 and 2. It added, rains are likely in Tanjore, Thiruvarur, Nagapattinam, Mayiladuthurai, Kudalur, Pudukottai, Kanyakumari, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Ramanathapuram and Sivaganga IMD SAD. So that's it from us in this update. Thank you for your time.